Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Easy Unreal. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to rotate the sun in Unreal Engine 5. It's a quick tip that can really change the vibe of your game's lighting. Before we jump in, if you're into Unreal Engine tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. It helps the channel grow and makes sure you never miss a new video. Alright, let's dive in. To change your sun, select your directional light on the right side. I'm using this level. If you go to File, New Level, I'm using this open world. You can change the rotation here and it will rotate according to this axis over here. You can see on the bottom left side Z, Y and X axis. But we have better way. Click this, reset this property to its default value. And now I will go F11 so you can just see it better. And press Ctrl L on your keyboard and keep holding it while moving around your mouse. And now if you move around your mouse, you can see this, how you can easily move your sun around the level. And with this, you can just quickly position your sun, for example, over here and have a nice level. You can just release Ctrl and L and you will have sun over there. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Drop some likes and comments and see you in some other video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.